The news, the Google Search Console has now added and been rolling out the feature for where you could track traffic towards your social media accounts, which is great. I just had got the prompt, but I clicked on properties, so now I'm going to go ahead and add this into things. So what you have to do is you have to go to your search property. Now you'll see I just got this new option, so I'm going to add property. There you have it. So now I can add Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. So I'm going to first go add Instagram. See basic info, permissions, okay. Agree and continue. Asking for permission. Adding the property. Of course, done. So it takes 48 hours. So now I'm gonna go and add. So there it is. So now I'm gonna go and add my YouTube. Now I might have a few channels, but I'm just gonna pick the one because lo and behold, because it's Google, so they nicely make sure you don't have to go through the whole process again. So I'm gonna add my YouTube channel. So as it says, 48 hours. That's fine. Uh, X. Yeah. I'm already logged in, so now I just have to authorize it. Done. And now, there we go. So I'm already logged in, so I don't know why I said French, but so there you have it. Now they're all show up here. So of course, like I said, need 48 hours at least for data to start showing up. So that's basically it so far. I think let's just see what happens if I just go in there. Yeah, so still processing data. So it gives the last 28 days, 3 months. So performance wise, okay. So we could probably get more, but that's basically I added it. So if I were to switch to X, yeah. See, it's basically still pulling in data. Still needs time, but almost there's some consistency in the data you're getting. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how easy it is for you to add now tracking some of your social media accounts on the Google Search Console.